Here's 3 reasons why mamas make great freelance copywriters. Hey, I'm Christa Nichols, founder of Wordy Mama, sales copywriter, and freelance copywriting coach. And I think mamas make some of the best freelance copywriters, and here's 3 reasons why. Number 1, we're master negotiators. After all, who else is going to convince their kid to let the cat out of the backpack, put their coat on, get their shoes on, and get themselves down the driveway and on the bus before it leaves? Number 2, we have scarcity and urgency down pat. We're the ones who are at the bottom of the stairs yelling, "This is the last time I'm going to tell you supper is on the table. If you don't come now, there won't be anything to eat until tomorrow morning." 3 is especially true if you have teenagers, because we are masters at learning the target market voice. Have you ever tried to pitch slang right back at your teenager? They might die inside, but at least they know what you mean when you say, "Hey, that cookie slaps." Follow me for more Wordy Mama content.